If you're wondering how to import projects into teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the simple process of importing your existing projects into Teamwork, and by the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to go, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Now, before we dive into the details, if you're new to Teamwork, you can start using it completely free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. But more on that later. Let's get started. Importing projects into teamwork.com is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand a few key steps to ensure everything transfers smoothly. If you're coming from a different project management tool or simply looking to set things up from scratch, Teamwork has made the import process as easy as possible. First, you'll want to head to your Teamwork dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Projects tab in the top navigation bar. From there, click on the Import button. This is where your journey begins, so let's break it down further. Teamwork allows you to import projects via a couple of methods: CSV file import and integration with other software. Let's talk about the CSV import first because it's probably the most common. To import a project using a CSV, you'll need to have your project data in a CSV file format. You can easily export project data from most project management tools or spreadsheets into this format. Once you've got your CSV ready, all you need to do is upload it in the import section of Teamwork. It's as simple as selecting the file and mapping the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Teamwork. Teamwork does a great job at recognizing the columns and fields in most CSVs, but it's always worth reviewing and adjusting as needed. For instance, ensure that your task names, due dates, and team members are correctly matched to the relevant fields within Teamwork. This way, your data will be cleanly imported without issues. Once you've mapped everything, hit the Import button, and within seconds, your project is now part of Teamwork. You'll see your tasks, dates, and even assigned team members all set up, ready for action. It's a pretty seamless transition. Now, let's talk about integrations. If you're moving from another tool like Asana, Trello, or even Microsoft Project, Teamwork offers integrations that make importing a breeze. These integrations sync your projects directly from the other platform into Teamwork with minimal effort on your part. Simply connect your account, choose the projects to import, and let Teamwork handle the rest. Teamwork also supports integrations with tools like Google Drive and Slack, so if your project files or communications are hosted in those, you can easily link them to your imported projects. The integration process can be set up under the Apps and Integrations section within Teamwork, and it's as simple as connecting accounts. And that's it. Whether you're importing via CSV or using an integration, Teamwork ensures that the process is quick and efficient. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to manage projects smoothly and collaborate effectively across teams. Remember, if you're ready to try out teamwork.com for yourself, check out the exclusive link below for a free trial and bonuses that'll help you hit the ground running. This trial will give you access to all the essential features to get your projects organized, and it's a risk-free way to see if Teamwork fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and guides on maximizing your productivity with digital tools like Teamwork.